My dear students, good morning all of you. Okay, now continuation of atomic structure, nature of light. So before class I explained wavelength, frequency, velocity of light, wave number, and some numericals also I finished. So remaining problems we having materials on see. Okay, next concept. So nature of light. Wave theory of light completed. Second one is corpuscular theory. Second one is corpuscular theory. Corpuscular theory of light. So second one is corpuscular theory of light. Here corpuscular means a small invisible particles. It was introduced by corpuscular theory was first introduced by Newton. According to Newton theory, the light and other forms of radiation, the light and other forms of radiant energy propagate in the form of corpusculates. Corpusculate means a small invisible particle. So after wave theory of light, corpuscular theory. So after wave theory of light, corpuscular theory. So not significant, last significant. So after wave theory of light, corpuscular theory. After wave theory of light, corpuscular theory lost significance. So Newton, according to Newton, the light and other forms of radiant energy propagates in the form of corpuscular in the form of corpuscular means a small invisible particle. Okay, so Newton, according to Newton, the light and other forms of radiant energy propagates in the form of corpuscular means a small invisible particle. Next, after wave theory of light, corpuscular theory lost significance. Write down the point. After wave theory of light, corpuscular theory lost significance. After wave theory of light, corpuscular theory lost significance. So these are points in wave theory of. So wave theory of light and another is corpuscular theory of light. Corpuscular theory of light. Okay. After wave theory of light, corpuscular theory lost significance. So next another one is black body. So generally black body of radiation or black body. Black body means the ideal body which emits or absorbs the radiation in the form of all frequencies is known as black body. The ideal body, the energy emits or absorbed in the form of all frequencies is called black body. The radiation of black body is known as black body of radiation. A hollow sphere coated inside with platinum black which has a small hole in its wall, it acts as a black body. Black body means a hollow sphere coated inside with platinum black, which has a small hole in its wall. It acts as a black body. Example: a white light is emitted by film. So hot filament in light. So in light or electrical bulb. Okay. So these are black body. Simply black body is a perfect emitter or absorbent of radiation. So black body definition: a body. So the ideal body which absorb or emitted radiation in the form of all frequencies are known as black body. The radiation of black body is known as black body of radiation. A hollow sphere coated inside with platinum black, which has a small hole in its wall, it acts as a black body. So I will write definition. The ideal body which emits or absorbed so the ideal body with emitted or absorbed radiation in the form of all frequencies is called black body, or simply black body is a perfect absorber or emitter of radiant energy. Absorber means gaining energy. So emit means released. Absorbing, gaining. Emitted means releasing. So black body is a perfect absorber or emitter of radiant energy. So black body is a perfect absorbing or emitter of radiant energy. So black body. Yeah. So the ideal body with emitted or absorbed radiation in the form of all frequencies is called black body. The radiation of black body is known as black body of radiation. The radiation of black body. So the radiation of black body is called black body of radiation. So black body of radiation. So dear students, write the point. Okay. So generally, example, black body. Example, a light. So a light is emitted by hot filament in electrical bulb. It is the best example of black body. So black body definition. Simply black body is a perfect absorber or emitter of radiant energy. So simple R, black body is a perfect absorbing or emitting of radiant energy. Okay. Next one is a hollow sphere. Coated inside with platinum black. Hollow sphere coated inside with platinum black which has a small hole in its wall. it acts as a black body. Black body means perfect absorber or emitter of radiant energy. Black body means simply absorbing energy or releasing energy. That is known as black body. Black body is a perfect emitter or absorbing radiation of energy is known as black body. Holosphere coated inside with platinum black, which has a small hole. Which has a small hole in its wall. It acts as a black body. Which acts as a black body or black body of radiation. So these are. So now example. Generally, a white light is emitted by hot filament in electric bulb, in a bulb. So white light is emitted by hot filament in electrical bulb or in a light bulb. Okay, so electric bulb or light bulb. Electric bulb in light bulb. In a light bulb. Okay, white light is emitted by hot filament in a light bulb. So light bulb. Okay, so these are black body. And another important point too. The graph is obtained by plotting of intensity of radiation and versus intensity of radiation and wavelength of wavelength. The graph is obtained by plotting of intensity of radiation and wavelength. At a given temperature, the intensity of radiation maximum increases, reaches the maximum increases. After that decreases. So increase the temperature, intensity increases decreases towards the right side. I will give one graph. The graph is obtained by, I am explaining graph. Black body means, black body is a perfect emitter or absorbent radiation. Black body, simply. Now I am explaining, the graph is plotted between intensity of radiation and wavelength. We can observe, one see. A graph is obtained by plotting of intensity of radiation and wavelength. Now I am taking simply on y-axis intensity. So these are wavelength. Simply like that, this type of graph. Like that. Here T1, here T2. So these are. The graph is obtained by plotting of intensity of radiation and wavelength. So that is observed. From the graph at a given temperature, the intensity of radiation increases. The reaches maximum, then decreases. The graph reaches maximum, then decreases. So increase the temperature, intensity. When increase the temperature, intensity also increases, shifts shortest wavelength. So shifts right side and shortest in wavelength. So that is another point. So write down, my dear student, these are graph, just information. They won't ask in a IP point of view, no need this information. But improve the subject for objective required. From the graph, at given temperature, from the graph at a given temperature. At given temperature. At given temperature. Intensity of radiation. Intensity of radiation. At given temperature, intensity of radiation increases. Increases. At given temperature, increase the intensity of radiation increases. At given temperature, increase the intensity of radiation. Increase the intensity. At given temperature, increase the intensity, radiation value. At given temperature, increase the intensity, radiation value. And which is value reaches maximum, then decreases, increases, then decreases. When temperature increases, intensity increases. When temperature increases, intensity increases. Shifts. Shortest in wavelength. Increases. After that, shortest in wavelength. So when temperature increases, intensity increases, shifts towards shortest in wavelength. In the graph, intensity increases, temperature increases, intensity increases. After that, so the graph shifts towards shortest in wavelength. So these are simply black body, and another one is so relation between simply intensity of radiation and temperature. Okay, so these are some important information. Next term, Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory. These are important. Planck's quantum theory successfully explained the black body of radiation. Write down this point, my dear students. Very important point. So Planck quantum theory successfully explained the black body of radiation. We know black body. Black body is a perfect absorber or emitter of radiant energy. Black body is a perfect absorber or emitter radiant energy. So Planck quantum theory was first introduced by Max Planck. Planck quantum theory successfully explained the black body of radiation. So Planck quantum theory successfully explained the black body theory of radiation. Generally, according to this theory, the energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of small particles. That means small energy packets. These are called quantum. So the energy emitted or absorbed are not continuous, discontinuous form. It is known as quantum. Each quantum is associated with a definite amount of energy. The radiation is associated with definite amount of energy. Next one is, so generally the emitted or absorbed radiation is due to vibration of all charged particles. The emitted or absorbed radiation is due to vibration of charged particles. So these are Planck quantum theory. Another one is so the energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to frequency. The energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to frequency. Frequency means nu. So that is Max Planck quantum theory. Some important points. So this theory, Planck quantum theory, it was introduced by Max Planck. It was proposed by Max Planck. Planck quantum theory. This theory successfully explained This theory successfully explained the black body of radiation. Black body of radiation. So this theory successfully SUCCESSFELY. This theory successfully explained the black body of radiation. Black body means a perfect absorber or emitter of radiant energy. So according to this theory, the energy is absorbed. The energy is absorbed. The energy is absorbed. The energy absorbed or emitted in the form of discontinuous of small energy packets. It is called quantum. According to this theory, the energy is absorbed or emitted in the form of discontinuous of small energy packets. This is not continuous, discontinuous of small energy packets. It is called quantum. According to Planck quantum theory, the energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of small energy packets. That is known as small energy packet. That is known as quantum. Small energy packets are called quantum. The radiation is associated with definite amount of energy. Write down that point. The radiation is associated with definite amount of energy. My dear students, write down that point also. The radiation is associated with definite amount of energy. And the next point is, so the energy of radiation emitted or absorbed is due to vibration of charged particles. Write down next point. The energy of radiation emitted or absorbed. The energy of radiation emitted or absorbed is due to vibrations of charged particles. So the energy of radiation emitted or absorbed is due to vibrations of charged particles. Next point is, the energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to frequency. So next point is, the energy of radiation of quantum. Next point, the energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to its frequency. These are point important. Okay, simply E is directly proportional to nu. Next one is E equal to h nu, that is a Planck's equation. So Planck equation simple formula, E equal to h nu. Here E means energy of radiation of quantum, h means Planck's constant, and nu means frequency. So the energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to its frequency, mathematically E equal to h nu, proportional to frequency. Next another one is here finally E equal to h nu. Here E equal to h nu. Here h equal to Planck's constant. Here value, Planck constant value important. Here how much value Planck constant? H equal to value 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 27 erg second, or another and another one is 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. So these are simple units. H means Planck's constant, don't forget. Nu means frequency, E means energy of radiation. Nu means frequency, you know, yesterday explained. And E equal to energy of radiation of quantum, Anyway, so these are simply the energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to its frequency. So simply E is directly proportional to nu, E equal to h nu. So these are Planck's constant and Planck's value. And in this case, in this process, the energy is absorbed or emitted in simple integral multiple of quantum. The energy is absorbed or emitted. The energy is absorbed or emitted in simple integral multiple of quantum, not fractional values. Simply, next point, write down. So write down, my dear students, write the formula. Energy of radiation absorbed or emitted. Energy of radiation absorbed or emitted. So energy of radiation absorbed or emitted in a simple integral multiple of quantum. So the emission of energy or absorption of energy, anyone, energy of radiation absorbed or emitted in a simple integral multiple of quantum, but not fractional values. Simply E equal to NH nu, that is here N equal to 1, 2, 3 like that, not fractional values. So E equal to NH nu, these are integral value. Here N means integral value, that is a Planck's quantum theory. Simply Planck's quantum theory successfully explained the black body theory of radiation. According to Planck's quantum theory, the energy is emitted or absorbed in the small energy packets, that is known as quantum. Quantum is small energy packets. It is due to vibration of charged particles. So energy of radiation of quantum is directly proportional to frequency of radiation. Mathematically E equal to is directly proportional to nu, E equal to h nu. Here h equal to Planck's constant. How much value? 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg second, or 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So these are so Max Planck, Planck quantum theory. Planck quantum theory successfully explained the black body theory of radiation. Okay. And another one is Einstein's approach. Einstein's approach. Simple Einstein theory. Simply Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory extended by Einstein of all electromagnetic radiations. So according to Einstein theory, simply the energy is emitted or so the energy of radiation is emission or absorbed. The energy of radiation emitted or absorbed in the form of small particles. In the form of small particles, small light particles. These are called photons. Photons. Explained photons. Photon means light particle. Light particle. The energies emitted or absorbed in the form of light particle, that is known as photon. The energy of radiation is directly proportional to frequency, like that same model. Okay, so energy of radiation of 1 mole of proton equal to E equal to nh nu. So that is a Max Planck theory. So that is a Einstein theory. Einstein theory, generally Planck quantum theory is extended by Einstein of all electromagnetic radiations. According to Einstein, the energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of small particles. In the form of small particles, it is called photon. Photon is nothing but light particle. Photon, light particle. Okay, light particle. Each photon is associated with definite amount of energy. So the energy of photon is directly proportional to frequency. Like that same model. So Max Planck explained according to Planck, energy is absorbed in the form of small energy packets, quantum. But he explained small particle, that is known as a particle. There light particle is nothing but quantum. Here light particle is nothing but photon. Both are same. Okay, he suggested that quantum. He suggested that photon. Photon is nothing but proton different to photon different. Proton fundamental particle. Photon light particle. So according to Einstein's the energies the emission of energy, the emission or absorption of energy, according to Einstein, the emission or absorption of energy, in the form of a small particle is called photons. So that is a photons. The energy of radiation of photon, directly proportional to frequency. Simply Einstein approach. Simply E is directly proportional to nu, E equal to h nu, same. Here are same. In this case, photon light particle, they quantum. Planck explained the quantum. Here explain the photon. Both are same fundamental. Both are light particles. Energy of radiation absorbed or emitted. So these are E equal to h nu. So energy of radiation 1 mole of electrons. Energy of radiation. Energy of radiation. Energy of radiation. Energy of radiation for 1 mole of electron. Energy of radiation for 1 mole of electron. 1 mole of electron. 1 mole means Avogadro number. Simply E equal to NH nu. Here N equal to Avogadro number. Avogadro number. N equal to Avogadro number. Okay? So N equal to Avogadro number. Simply. We know E equal to H nu is there. Or E equal to nu equal to C by lambda. Finally, E equal to Hc by lambda energy. So these are different types. For last point is Planck quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory is extended by Einstein theory of all electromagnetic radiations. So Planck quantum theory is extended by Planck quantum theory is extended by Einstein theory of all electromagnetic radiations. Write down that point. Okay, write down. Finally, don't forget for problems required E equal to Hc by lambda. E equal to Hc by lambda. Next one is from Planck's quantum theory and Einstein theory. Simply E equal to h nu first formula, or E equal to Hc by lambda another formula. Simply energy of radiation is inversely proportional to wavelength. Simply E1 by E2 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. E1 by E2 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Simply energy of radiation is inversely proportional to wavelength. We know wavelength increases, energy of radiation decreases. So these are different types of theories. Okay, my dear students. Okay, enough. Remaining concept next class, tomorrow class I will give numericals on these problems, these concepts. Okay, students. Thank you for all.